What's up, everybody? Philip Bridges here. And Milwaukee has just released their new line of Packout tools that are coming out this year. First up, Milwaukee is coming out with Packout Drawers. You're going to be able to get a 2-drawer system or a 3-drawer system. Now, each one of these systems are going to be able to hold up to 50-pound capacity of these, and is going to have each system is going to have a slide out bar that you can put a lock on, so you can lock these drawers, so in case of the Packout unit tipping over, that your drawers will not open up and throw out everything that is in those drawers. And it also is you can lock them up so for security too, so no one can get into your Packout stuff. It has Milwaukee's reinforced metal corners. All the drawers have ball bearing metal slides, and the price on these drawer units are going to be about $150, ranging from $150. Now, the estimated delivery of when you can get these is probably going to be the early of 2021. So if you want to pre-order and get your order in, you can go pre-order. I'll put links in the description below on where you can pre-order all of this stuff. So next up is going to be Milwaukee's Packout desktop. It's going to be like a tabletop, and they make this out of 1/2-inch marine quality plywood, and it's going to have a 50-pound rating. It's just going to be a nice little workspace that you can put on your Packout top, just so you can write stuff, do some work, and do other things. Now, the price on this is going to be about $50. I kind of think that price is a little bit too high. Now, the release of this is going to be in October of 2020, so you can look forward to picking one of those up at your local hardware stores. The one thing that I thought was great that Milwaukee is coming out with for their Packout stuff is they are coming out with a 2-wheeled cart dolly. Now, this cart dolly, you are going to be able to have a 400-pound capacity, so if you want to move a water tank, you can move a water tank, and this will also, the bottom of it can fold out, and it will you can stack your Packout your toolboxes on there, and they just clip right in. And you can also use the Packout crates. You can stack the crates up and lock them in. One thing that I really liked about this, being an electrician, is on the back of the cart, they have spots for where you can store levels, store pipe benders, and anything that is long that you can put on the back of the cart, and you can store it on the back. I thought this was a really cool idea that Milwaukee did. The wheels on this cart they are pretty close together, so it's easy for maneuverability. Now, the price is actually pretty dead on what I would pay for a cart like this. Retail price is going to be around $199 for this, and you can pretty much pick this up at the end of October, or you can pre-order it right now. Now, it was only a matter of time that Milwaukee would come out with a shelf rack unit. Now, you can pick these up for about $50, and what this rack unit will do is you will be able to mount it to the wall, and you can have Packout shelves for this rack. You can use the E-Track system, and you can clip these shelves to the E-Track system, and you can use it. The shelf will have a Packout plate on it, and you can stack all your Packout toolboxes on it. It will have a 50-pound capacity for these shelf units. I think these are really nice. You can really customize your tool shop or the back of your van with this rack system. I think it's really going to be a game changer in how everybody organizes with their Packout system. We can expect this to be out in early of 2021. So get your pre-orders in. $50 for these. Like I said before, the price isn't too bad. I think it's pretty reasonable for $50 for one of these shelving units. One tool that they are coming out with that I think is really cool is their Milwaukee M18 Packout Light. Now, this light is also going to be able to charge your batteries. It'll have 3 different lights on it, and it'll also be able to charge your USB devices. Now with this Packout Light system, you will also be able to run a cord to the unit, so you do not have to use the battery in this Packout Light. The runtime on these lights range from 4 hours, 8 hours, and 12 hours. That's from your high, medium to low. Now the lumens on this thing, with all the lights going, you're gonna have 3,000 lumens on high, 1,500 lumens on medium, and you're going to have about 1,000 lumens on low. Price on this is going to set you back at about $199, and for a Packout Light, that is pretty reasonable. You can expect to see this out in October of 2020. So that's gonna wrap it up for pretty much all the new Packout stuff that's coming out of Milwaukee for this year. If you liked this video, hit the like button. If you have any comments, comment down below, and do subscribe if you're not subscribed, and do so. I am Philip Burgess, and I will see you on the next one.